Good afternoon, guys. How's it going? So I'm gonna try to do a quick video over here. So for today, right now, it's rainy, it's nasty, it's cold outside, but it's springtime. So I gotta get everything ready for summer, barbecuing, being outside. So what we're gonna do right now is try to fix the barbecue a little bit. So let me turn over here. Our barbecue is an old Weber. It works fantastic, but the Flavorizer bars are all messed up. They're rusty, they're falling apart. So what we're gonna do is replace these Flavorizer bars with this new stainless steel stock that I got. We're going to cut them down to size, weld up a little bit. It doesn't need to look pretty. It's gonna be on the inside of the firebox. All they're really for is to provide some radiant heat for the grilling structure and then have the grease not fall directly on the burners. So I'm going to mount this up. I'm going to cut some more pieces down to size. I have some of this stainless steel corner stock scrap from some other stuff. So instead of spending almost $400 on these Flavorizer bars that are almost impossible to find from my grill, I decided, we'll just piece it together with what we got. So over here, I have my old chop saw retrofitted with a makeshift jig. So we got from the wood to the cutting blade area is the right size. Let's cut down a whole bunch of pieces, see how it goes. Pretty good. Let's tack it up, see the fit. Alright guys, so what I was trying to do didn't work. So I tried to weld it when it was in here, but I didn't get a good ground on the alligator clip. So what I'm going to do is lay them all on this welding table. So we just finished up welding and cleaning it up a tiny bit. Yeah, I know. Do not critique my welds. I am not a welder. I'm just trying this out to see if it'll work. I'm gonna clean this up. We're gonna hit it with a sanding disc, see if we can clean it up a little bit, pop it in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so let me turn the flashlight on because it's dark in my garage, but that's the finished product. So I get it, if someone wants to critique my welds, they are what they are. I know it's not that good, but like I said, it's better than spending 400 bucks on a new one of these. That's what it's going to eventually turn out to be in a couple years anyway. Then we could always just make another one. It's nice to be able to repurpose stuff that we have at the house. This is just, you know, corner stock of stainless steel that I have sitting around. So go out, make something. Glad to be here, glad to do this stuff. Please like the video, subscribe, and we'll be making some more. I do have some shooting videos that I'm going to be doing, some other projects around the house, so enjoy. Hopefully I can bring you some more soon. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.